Hello, hello, hello guys. I want to unbox the Color Rush Studio new kit for January. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty. I've got to show you all of these things. I have had it at my house for 2 days and I have been on this massive project painting a house and I have not been able to get into it and it's been painful. Look at the colors. Okay. Without further ado, let's look at all the papers. Okay, this is Color Rush Studio. It's a kit club. It is amazing small business owner doing all of the things so incredibly well. And I'm proud to be part of the design team. So let's get into it. Let's see what we have. Oh my gosh, Simplest Stories Wildflower. Let's start. Okay, the very first paper. Ooh, looks like we get 2 of each, of at least some. I don't know. This is called Radiate Sunshine. Guys, have you seen this collection? Straight up want to fussy cut all of these pieces out and we're gonna get this beautiful yellow background or like surrounding bits around these florals. All right, absolutely gorgeous. This is Radiate Sunshine. Pretty. The back side of that piece of paper, ooh, so it's like an off-white with rosy color gingham. Branding strip is the opposite side of the piece of paper. Super pretty, so easy to use for a background. This one is called Wildflower as well. It's called Love Greatly. Gorgeous piece of paper. That off-white, it's a little distressed around the outside. And we've got a bit of a slate blue for the blue. Now, I don't know why I tend to have my stripes going in this direction. When it's like this, it looks just like wallpaper to me. Interesting. And the flip side of that piece of paper, it's so cute, and it wants me to fussy cut it as well. Might be one of those kits. It has all of these mothy bits. We've got these gorgeous shades of blue and really nice saturated mustard. And it is once again distressed around. It's like this really nice kind of, I don't know, like modern antique-y vibe. Very pretty. All right, so this piece, it is called Breathe Deep. Breath Deep? Breath Deep. It's Breath Deep. There's no E. Breath Deep. Okay, so it's peachy and golden mustard, and these really subtle, gorgeous birds are in the background. That is a stunning piece of paper. Stunning. I'm trying to move things out of the way because there's so many papers to show you. And now the back side or the front side, whatever. Nice golden, like honey color with the sweetest white florals. And this golden honey color, it also has a texture to it, which not the paper itself, but it looks textured, which I think is super cool. The next piece of soon to be fussy cut piece of paper. This is called Everyday Moments. Love that it looks like a textile. It is stunning. This would be a beautiful set of curtains, guys. Just so pretty. The pinks, the denim blues, we've got white, we've got mustard. Love it. Love. The backside to, not the backside, I'm sorry. The next piece of paper I have, it is a 4x6 elements. So great if you are into pocket scrapbooking or like a big bold title. I tend to like cutting out pieces as well. Like look at if I cut out that title. These gorgeous florals, the little sentiments, so fun. Love doing that. And then the flip side, oh, I didn't show you the flip side to this one. The flip side to this one is a great honey colored plaid. So pretty, tone and tone. You can use it as a background with no muss, no fuss. And then the flip side to this 4x6 element, it's a great off-white with these really sweet tone on tone florals. Oh, that's pretty, pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, the next piece of paper we have, it is this one right here. Oh my gosh, that's pretty. Guys, look at these buggy bits. It's called Beautiful View. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. So we've got these honey colors and these rosy colors for these buggy bits. I think they're moths. I'm not quite sure. So super pretty on a bit of a blush background, a little bit of distress work around the outside. Oh, wow. So this is like this print, but it's blown up. See, there's the birds on it, but it's blown up, you know, of course, with different hues. So gorgeous. Love the pops of white in this one. Oh my, I cannot wait to create with this. Okay, the next piece, it is tag elements. So flip side, if it follows suit with other Simple Stories, will be tags like with, we'll flip it in a second. So we've definitely got this off-white distressed. We have got tags and tags and tags with all of these beautiful patterns in the collection. Oh my word. And then the flip side, you have got icons and wordy bits and all of that kind of thing. And you can use them as tags. You can cut out pieces. You can do all of the things. Look at this for journaling. You can circle the month and the date. Right on it. Love it. This is my story. Go wild for just a little while. In a world of roses, be a wildflower. I don't know, be any flower. Be any flower. I'm actually quite partial to carnations, but you do you. Okay, and then we have 2 more pieces of paper, and I believe I have a front and back of these. I do. This one is called Journal Elements. So nice geometric distressing on the outside, like we have seen. Love anything in a blue tone. Anything and more. And ooh, let's look at these journal elements. They're all different sizes. Okay, I mean, we've got these rectangles, and we have more of, is that a 3x4? Maybe. We've got longer ones, like little pieces. Ooh, I love when things are like, not that it's haphazard, it's very orderly, but I like the different sizes. I think that's super fun. More of the mothy bits. Love the book plate. Love this rosy pink shade here. Great piece of paper. Love that. This one even has a little tab on it. Okay, love that. Let's see what we have for an alpha. Oh, this is a good one. Okay, so these are called Shine On. Nice, vibrant pink foam on the side. And it's like a glittery, silvery pink. It's like right in the middle on the top. It's a great alpha. It's very straight up and down, but it's not massive. It's like the perfect size. Love that. A little bit of punctuation. Very nice. That is so fun. Okay, we have that. Ooh, look at these. These are Frazzle and ribbons, and I love this kind of stuff. Look at this lace, pom-pom trim, right? Then we've got these like torn fabric strips, gingham. So cool. And this gives you this great textural element you get to do. Oh, I'm gonna need little bins. Little bins coming up. We have got these what is, y'all, do you see these? Come on out, come out. We have got these big, gorgeous florals. Oh my gosh, there's little pearls inside. Oh my word, those are beautiful. So we have 2 in this pinky shade, a much paler pink, and a very large, bold one. Love this leaf. And there, once again, are these little pearly bits on the inside. Those are gorgeous. Ooh, and then we get, these are called Bits and Pieces with Color Rush Studio. We have got, I just have to get them out because I really got to check them out. 2 beautiful, they're white, but they've got beads and glittery bits, and look at their little antenna. Oh, this glitter on my hands isn't from this, it's from something before. Anywho, guys, their antenna are like these wiry antennas. Little flutter. They're gorgeous. That's so fun. Okay. So we have those. Let's see what's in these bits. They're like little presents. You get to go through them. It's so fun. The exclusives that you get. All right, so we've got some really gorgeous, shiny, glittery bits that are already cut for us. I've got a rosy glitter circle, gold glitter, aqua, my favorite. This is it's like a journaling spot looking piece. So is this, guys. Look at that. And they're cut for you. It's not even like you have to go hope you have a punch. Scallop shapes. These are so, oh, guys, what are these? All right, let me go through these and we'll look. Another scallop piece, a much larger one. And then we have, it looks like 3 small doilies. or at least I have 3 small doilies. And this is like a row of adhesive pearls, which of course you can cut out. So cool. Okay, that's cool. Oh, but wait, there's more. All right, let me get another bin. I'm all about the bin. So we get the Simple Stories, My Mind's Eye exclusive. Remember, this was like this combo. Or maybe you don't remember. I think I saw something on that. These are the Wildflower journal bits. And that's what it looks like. So pretty. But I'm going to take them out in the event that you don't like to see the whole thing, which that is all you, but I do. Fishtail banner with love this. A nice little spot with the date and, you know, write all of your things. Don't forget. Beauty in the everyday. Ooh, little bits. The date. September. Oh, so they have months. January, date. My heart. April. A tab. You know, it has like the little score line, but I would totally cut that in half so I can have extra. December, July. Date again. Then we have March, June. So we have all of the months of the year. Here we have another little piece that is scored for a tab, which is great for a book. So cute. You know, like if you make a mini album. Today. A nice little, why am I having such a hard time? It's like a journaling spot is, what am I trying to say? A label. Label. Huh. Wow. Okay. Fishtail banner, a little piece in mustard. Little numerics. Date. Look at these pieces, guys. You can circle like a date on there or like the 3 of us, whatever you need. Kind people are my kind of people. Cherish the moment. Remember. My daughter always sings, remember the 21st of September. Never mind. Okay. The best version of you. Trust the wait and embrace the uncertainty. I cannot stand uncertainty, but okay, let's go with that. Enjoy the beauty of becoming. I need to know, people. I need to know. Okay. A mothy bit. Another tab. We have got a gorgeous journaling spot. Ooh, look at these. All these numbers. And guys, they're in an aqua pattern. I love it. Love, love, love. Favorite color. Okay. A couple of tags. The word smile and bucket list. Oh, but wait. There's more. These kits are amazing. Absolutely are hitting it out of the park between the textures and these textures and these pieces punched out, cut out, however they happened. We get the full Simple Pages page pieces, Wildflower. There's 14 pieces. That's what's in here. But you guys, have you created with these before? I mean, if you want to do like the world's quickest layout, you just line these pieces up and it's done. You have a title. You've got journaling spots. You've got all of your embellishments. They're such a clever thing that Simple Stories came up with. And how lucky are we that we get them in these kits? Now, I'll probably be mixing just about everything all the time. But I love that you could grab just this kit and go, you know, craft with your pails and you have all of the things. Bloom and Grow. That layered on that would just be so pretty. Okay, so that's my Color Rush Studio amazing January kit. I will have links down below where you can get your hands on it. Join our Facebook group. Jump in on the sketch challenge. Our fearless leader created a great sketch for us to play with. We are going to have so much fun. And I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye for now, friends.